How long does a hearing test take? A hearing test usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour. The exact time depends on the specific test and your needs. This little investment in time can greatly benefit your hearing health. What do the results of a hearing test mean? The tests of a hearing test will show if you have a normal hearing or any level of hearing loss. Your audiologist will explain the results to you, including the type and extent of hearing loss. If any, they will also recommend the best next steps for you.